Are you a student wondering how to use ChatGPT to save time, boost grades, and make studying easier? Welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use ChatGPT for summarizing books, writing essays, preparing for exams, and even managing your time better, all in a practical way. Let's begin. Let's say you have a long textbook chapter or a research article and you want a summary for quick revision. You can see I have PDF book. Let me copy the contents by selecting the text and pressing Ctrl+C. Open ChatGPT and paste the text here. As the text is long, so I have to copy it in chunks. I am using a PC. If you want to use ChatGPT on mobile phone, then watch this video and learn how to use ChatGPT on mobile phone. Okay, now the whole text is copied. Enclose the whole text in inverted commas. And type the prompt to summarize this. As you can see, it has created 6 small bulleted paragraphs. If you need only the titles, then type. Collect the titles. Writing essays or assignments. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, create outlines, or even write drafts. Suppose you want to create an essay on the impact of using mobile phones in children. It has created an essay. I want to customize it for grade 10 child. So, type. Make this essay for grade 10. ChatGPT has created 2 responses. Response 1 and Response 2. Select the response which you like. We have selected Response 1. If you need this essay in PDF document, you can get it. Just type. Download this in PDF format. And the file is ready for download. Click on Download. Open the file and the essay is open in PDF document. Let us refine our prompt for another topic. We want to write 5 paragraphs essay on global warming. Type. Give me 5 paragraphs essay on global warming. You may want this in the form of a dialogue between friends. Type. Make it as a dialogue between 2 friends. As you can see, 2 friends, Ollie and Sarah, are discussing global warming. Preparing for exams? ChatGPT can help you generate practice questions, flashcards, and simplify tough concepts. Let us create a multiple choice question test for exam preparation. It has created 15 MCQ with a correct answer at the last. Let me remove the answer. Type. Remove the correct answer. I want the correct answer to be bold, so type. Make the correct answer bold. Similarly, create some flashcards. Create flashcards for the topic of photosynthesis. And it has created text for both the sides of the card. We can also simplify concept like explain Newton's third law for a grade 8 student. If you want to create an animation about this law, it can give complete idea. Just type. Make animated idea. And it has created idea for 2 minutes animation. Need help brainstorming ideas for your science fair, class presentation, or group project? Let ChatGPT help us. Give me creative idea for creating project on renewable energy sources. And it has the idea including goals, project concept, and project requirements. Now let us create a 10 slides presentation for our other project. Type. Make 10 slide presentation on the topic of internet frauds. And the presentation is created. If you need it for PowerPoint, ChatGPT can create that as well. Type. Create it as PPTX. And now it is available as PowerPoint format. Just click. And it is opened in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can add images, background, and other item by yourself, and ChatGPT can also help you with how you would do that. Try it yourself, or ask me in the comments if you cannot. Struggling to manage your time? Ask ChatGPT to create a personalized study schedule. We want to create a timetable for home study. I am student of grade 10, make a timetable for me with 20-minute break between each subject. Created an hourly timetable and has also given extra tips for study. I cannot see my C subjects, so let me add it. My subjects are English, Maths, Biology, Chemistry, Physics, and Social Studies. As you can see, it has added the subject. Let me make it more enhanced by make it for whole week and Sunday off. Type. Give me a timetable for full week, Sunday should be off, and Maths, English should be on Monday. It has given me detailed timetable for each according to my requirements. As you just saw, ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's like your 24/7 study buddy. From writing and revision to test prep and time management, it can make your student life easier and more productive. In our next video, we'll explore how doctors and medical students can use ChatGPT for diagnosis help, research, and more, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.